Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am making a short video for people who have made fake IDs and commenting on my channel. Whatever vulgarity or whatever they are commenting, let me give you the answer to your questions. Yes, I did love my husband. That's the reason I got married to him, and it was an arranged marriage. I still love him, and tomorrow, till the very end, our relation is still alive. For whatever reason, I will always love him. And he is the father of my kids, and he will always be the father of my kids. That fact is not never gonna change. So let me tell you this, I hate the person he had become, or maybe I came to know his true face. That is why I started hating him. The only reason why I took stand for myself and my kids, despite of he sending 3 divorce notice, I was waiting कि नहीं यार सब ठीक हो जाएगा, but then जिसको जो करना होता है वो कर जाता है. So now finally I took some action is because I wanted to take stand for my kids and my life. मेरी लाइफ वेस्ट हो गई, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है यार. हम मे बी मैंने बहुत कुछ किया हो लाइफ में जिसकी वजह से वेस्ट हो गई. फाइन, I'll blame myself, forget it. But kids did not deserve this. I've been telling this from the very first video till now. Kid did not deserve this. And he was abusing. He used to get physical. वो मारपीट होता था जब उसका एंगर आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल आता था. बट देन एट द एंड ही यूज्ड टू अपोलोजाइज एंड आई यूज्ड टू अंडरस्टैंड उसका गुस्सा उसके कंट्रोल में नहीं था, जिसमें मेरी मिस्टेक थी कि मैंने उसको हर बार चांस दिया. सो आई वॉज फाइन विथ हिम नॉट अर्निंग because maybe God has taken me as the person to take care of the family. I am fine with that. But then physical abuses, verbal abuses were getting too much, and kids were growing. Zaina is growing. Zaina is gonna become 6 years in August, and she's been noticing everything. That's the only reason why I took stand for myself. बिकॉज इफ़ आई डोंट टेक स्टैंड, सो जाइना के लिए भी नॉर्मल हो जाएगा कि एक आदमी मारेगा ठीक है, अब्यूज़ करेगा ठीक है. ये सब नॉर्मल नहीं है यार. आई नो समवेयर और द अदर मैक इज़ गिल्टी and he will want to come back, but then the influencers behind him will never want him to get back to his family, and I want to see till where it goes. I have lost everything in life. The only hope in my life is my kids. And let me see till where he drags this. I am fine. He apologizing about everything what he has done and being normal as before. But then if he's not accepting his mistake, not stopping his abuse, not stopping his physical abuse, I am done with this relation. And I'm genuinely done. And I'll make sure it's done completely so that in future there's no scope or no hope of we returning to each other. Because I know अब जब तक उसका सब साथ दे रहे तब तक वो ठीक है. जिस दिन उसका साथ छोड़ा लोगों ने, I bet you he will all be broken. And I know his nature. He loves himself more than anyone, more than me, my kids. And he will never want himself to be broken. So this fight is only for the kids. I'm again and again repeating myself कि सिर्फ झगड़ा kids के वजह से है. I will take responsibility till I'm earning, because we all know till we have a job, we have money, we'll take responsibility. But बाद में क्या यार, बाद में क्या मतलब these kids are not just my kids, they are your kids also. You are also responsible for their responsibility. So please do something about it and get this sorted. Otherwise, I will get it sorted my way. And for the fact I don't care what happens, but I will reveal everyone from your family with evidence. And then you accuse me, you blame me, I'm fine. Do whatever you want. And that does not stop me taking stand for my kids. That's about it. I thought कि ये short video बना के बता दूँ, because जितने लोग comment कर रहे हो, please act human. And Mac, if you really want to comment on my videos, please comment from your own channel, on your own YouTube. Don't make fake IDs. I request you and the people around you not to do this, because again and again I'll report those comments. Again and again, if I reply on that comment, you will delete it as you deleted the first one. Don't do this stunt, because you know I will never stop if I'm right. I will only stop if I'm wrong. That's it. Have a good day, guys. I also have a flight to go for right now. And then finally, I'm going to meet my kids after 3-4 days. They'll be very happy about it.